Today we are going to tour 2202 West Berridge Lane in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. This beautifully updated 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home offers over 2,100 square feet of comfortable living space. It is nestled on a private central lot within a great Phoenix neighborhood. With natural wood-style flooring throughout, this home has a modern and elegant feel. This carries into the primary suite with dual closets, a dual-vanity bathroom, and a walk-in shower. Other features of this wonderful home include a private backyard with mature trees, offering both shade and privacy. The rear yard also boasts a covered patio and pool. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. The home features an open floor plan, abundant natural light, and a modern kitchen with gorgeous stone countertops, upgraded stainless steel appliances, and a large island perfect for entertaining. This area helps create the heart of the home as it connects with the dining and living spaces. The dining area also features an electric faux fireplace with an accent wall. Again, if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. Thank you for watching today's tour of this beautiful home in Phoenix. Have a great day.